Hello peeps, and welcome back to the Age of Engineering. I'm sitting here in the overworld, and I've gotten some stuff together for what I want to do this episode. Let's go take a quick look over in the mining world so I can show you guys what I found. I found this last episode, and something I didn't realize about these is that you can look at it and it'll tell you the expected yield of ores that you're going to get. So 38,400 ores is expected from the yield of this core sample. Let's roll out into the mining world and I'll show you what else I've done. I went through and I took some core samples here. And largely I was finding no mineral. So no mineral, no mineral, no mineral. Here I found a copper vein, which produces what is it? Is it copper and... Let's take a look. Okay, let's see. Bauxite, cassiterite, coal. Copper produces copper, gold, and nickel. Over here, I found gold. Gold produces gold, copper, and nickel. And then over here, I found iron. Iron produces iron, nickel, and tin. So I've got a pretty decent selection of ores here that I can mine up, but I need the excavator to do it. Now, I also have managed to isolate Imperial and get a pure strain. And that was the last B I needed to purify. I have Unweary, I have Noble, I have Imperial, I have Majestic, Cultivated, Diligent, and Industrious. So, I'm probably going to automate these off camera and start producing some honeycombs and get some of the other stuff and get some proven frames into these and all that. So I can start getting the stuff together for alvearies. I also did a lot of mining off camera and I found another spawner, which is out there. But we'll worry about spawners and stuff in an episode or 3. What I want to do this episode is I want to get the excavator built and running. We're going to do it right here. So I'm going to turn on my chunk boundaries. We'll pick this up and we're going to move this over to here. We'll set it down in the corner. The excavator is a large monster of a machine. Requires 26 steel scaffolding, 15 steel sheet metal, 9 steel blocks, a redstone engineering block, 9 light engineering blocks, 5 heavy engineering blocks, and 3 radiator blocks. It takes a lot of shit. But I have everything in my inventory necessary to do this. So, we have to start one block down. So we're going to have a steel block with 3 steel scaffolding and 2 steel blocks on top of it. Actually, I think this starts 2 down. Yeah, this starts 2 down. So, I need to dig a trench that's 5 long. And do 1 down in the middle. Like that. We're going to start with steel blocks, which I hope it recognizes these. And then, yeah, 2 steel blocks on the end. The next level is a big one. And can I rotate that? Yeah, I can. Okay. So, looks like steel scaffolding, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like that. One. And then 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And in the front of that, we have steel sheet metal, 2 on one side and then 1 and a light engineering block. So 2 steel sheet metal, 1 steel sheet metal, and a light engineering block here. Then 2 more steel sheet metal and a radiator block here. That should finish this level. The next level up. Redstone engineering block, heavy engineering block, another light right here. So we'll get our redstone engineering block out of the way. And then what do we have? Redstone, we have 2 sheet metal and 3 lights. Like that. Then we have a heavy, a steel block, steel block, 2 scaffold, a steel block, 2 scaffold, and a steel block, right? Yes. Like that. On this side, we have let's see. It was sheet metal, light, sheet metal, three heavy, and that should do it for this side. Right? Yeah, because that extends out too. Then the next level up is a heavy, 2 radiators, go the hell away. Wait, where'd my heavy go? Okay, a heavy, 2 radiators, and then 3 light. The last light goes here. Then it looks like 2 sheet metal there, and then 3 sheet metal on the side. Or is it 4 sheet metal? It looks like it's 4 sheet metal. Yeah, it's 4 sheet metal. And then 5 steel scaffolding. Like that. The next level is 3 steel scaffolding. Steel block, steel block, steel block. That should complete the excavator multi-block. Now I just need my engineer's hammer. And I need to figure out where to hit it. Oh yeah, excavator get. This thing looks badass. Okay, now, I have absolutely no idea where this thing takes power from. I know that the redstone engineering block here is where you turn it off. And I think it takes power in from here. So, there's my power cell. And it's working. Nice. Oh, and you can hear it digging. It's just digging dirt right now. Oh, and it's going to spit it all out, isn't it? Okay. So, we need a chest. But I'm not going to use just any chest. We're going to use the ender chests that I made off camera. Basic recipe. It's exactly the same recipe except it uses Klein flasks. Which we saw how to make those last episode. And I'm now pulling in uranium ore. So we're going to put one ender chest here. We're going to toss the uranium ore in there. And the other one of these, I'm actually going to need some more item conduit. Of course. And I have no pulsating iron either. Okay. That's easy enough to fix. I can turn this off now. Now, this thing is using shit tons of power. It's using 3,000 RF a tick. I think it actually uses 4,000, but we need to turn this on in order to keep up with our power consumption. That's why I made the diesel engine. The diesel engine is going to provide the power that I need to keep the excavator running. Iron and you. Gives me you. To get you. To get you. And then down here, I've added a few of these. We're going to get my keys out. As soon as I figure out what the hell I did with my keys. Let's see. Quantify key, drawer key. Here we go. We're going to unlock 2 of these drawers. We're going to put the ender chest in here. Not right there. That's bad. Ender chest, you go right there. Item conduit. You insert. You extract always. That is going to start putting the uranium and the lead in here. I can lock these now. Piss off, zombies. How are they even getting to the door? I blocked it off. And how am I taking damage when I'm falling? How is this even a thing? Excuse you. Can you not? Excuse you, can you not? Ay, ay, ay. I don't even know why I still have the door there. It's not like I need it. Ow. How? 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 Whatever. Stupid. Get some of my cooked broccoli and chow down. Yep, that's gonna start collecting a lot of uranium and lead ore for me. The uranium ore is gonna be very useful. Ooh. Industrial grinder. Okay, yeah, this does still work. Grinder, crusher, arc furnace, smelting. Macerator. Yep, macerates into crush. That's what I needed to know. So it all macerates down the same. That's what I needed to know. Now, I am, at some point in the very near future, going to have to set up... Okay, good, we are holding power. I'm going to need to set up some more industrial craft machines. Specifically, I need to get my macerator, or I need to make another macerator, probably. I need the thermal centrifuge, the macerator, and an ore washing plant, all working together. And I'm also going to need canning machines, because I need to get into nuclear power. The reason being, if we take a look at our guide here, the next stage is the nuclear age. We're in the automation age right now. The nuclear age. Now you can create machine frames and modular storage. You can start working on replicating things with UU matter. You should start working on getting 3 key items. Iridium plates, which you get from replicating iridium in the replicator. You need 1 iridium first from 9 shards in dungeon chests. I have plenty of iridium shards. You need a replicator, a pattern storage, and a scanner. Then I need a mass fabricator and a lot of energy. I'm also going to need recyclers. And yeah, to generate power, nuclear reactor is basically required. And I'm not going to create just 1 nuclear reactor. I'm probably going to have 4 or 5 at least. That leads to plutonium, which you get from thermal centrifuging empty rods. If you want more power or more plutonium, different recommended reactor size, blah blah blah. Fluid reactor, superheated steam, pain in the ass. You need basalt, which you get from cooling Pahoe lava in the world by either waiting or placing coolant behind. Pahoe lava is a side product of using lava in a liquid heat exchanger. With plutonium, you can use deep resonance to make power and use advanced generator steam or gas turbines to generate RF or EU. Blah blah blah, yeah, whatever. With basalt, you can go to the deep dark to mine for more resources. I'm actually not sure what triggers the atomic age, or the nuclear age. But then, with iridium, we get into unlocking the rest of Calculator. So, iridium. Got 48 iridium shards. Okay, that does not work. So I actually do have to compress the iridium. So we'll run that through a compressor. To get iridium ore. Ha ha ha. Iridium ore. Molecular transformer. You can change iron ingots into iridium ore for 9 million EU. Or you can replicate it. And I don't know how much it costs to replicate it. Molecular transformer. What does that take? Molecular transformer. Ooh, yuck. 4 advanced machine casings. That's not bad. The advanced machine circuits aren't bad. MT core. Oh yeah, that's where you hit your problem. Because this takes a radiant glass, which takes a radiant uranium, which, yeah, a bunch of shit. And then the EV transformers take a lot of shit. Well, it's actually... The EV transformer isn't that bad. But this MT core, iridium reinforced plates, requires 4 iridium to start out. So we're probably going to want to look at replicating it first. I did get 5 uranium ore, so that's a good start. Wow, lag spike, hello. So let's take a look at the replicator. The replicator is reinforced stone, reinforced glass, HV, and MFE, and 3 teleporters. The teleporters are... This is going to require a lot of stuff that I don't currently have. What about pattern storage? Pattern storage is crystal memories, modular storage, which I can create now, mining lasers, and takes reinforced stone. So I'm going to need a CF sprayer. Because that's how you get the reinforced stone. You get a CF sprayer and you spray the CF powder. And what about the mass fab? Mass fab is actually easy by comparison. Replicator, and I need a scanner. Scanner is illuminator, iron plates. What it comes down to is I need a shit ton of advanced machine casings. So, got enough to make 8. Let's go ahead and get some more iron pressing out. I'm gonna need it. I've got plenty of alloy. I've got plenty of the carbon plates now. Got more than enough iron. And this thing is just trucking right along. And it is fully powered, so that's nice. Let's go check and make sure that my diesel is holding up. Because I've had the diesel generator running for a while. And this thing chews power. Or this thing chews diesel. We're holding good there. I am slowly depleting my ethanol. No, I'm not. I lied. I'm not slowly depleting my ethanol supply. And my plant oil supply is also holding. So, as long as I'm producing enough melons to keep up... Holy shit! I'd say I'm producing enough melons to keep up. I have a backlog. Nice. That's what I like to see. I like to see backlogs. Alright. So you're running. I do need to start getting some frickin' bees going. I hate bees, though. I'm so fighting the temptation to put Gendustry in. But Gendustry is going to make things way too easy. I don't actually need this Energizer anymore. Oh, I streamlined this. I took the crusher out because I'm using the sag mill to do all my processing now. Because the sag mill gives bonus chance of output, which the crusher does not, really. I mean, the crusher does, but the sag mill has a much higher chance, as long as you have the dark steel balls in here. You get a lot more resources that way. So, let's see, what do I do next? I guess I could start working on the nuclear reactors that I'm going to need. Nuclear reactor is 4 dense lead plates, 3 reactor chambers, and a generator. The generator's easy. I'll probably just steal the generators in here since I'm not using them. The reactor chambers themselves are lead plates around a basic machine casing. So I'm going to need a total of 9 of these. So let's get 9 basic machine casings. And lead. I've got a shit ton of lead. I'm going to need an absolute shit ton of these plates. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make lead blocks and cut those down. We're going to cut them down in the block cutting machine. And I'm going to want an auto ejector. So, tin plates and a piston. I'll probably just make a shit ton of pistons because it seems like I'm using them for a lot of stuff now. Well, that's not really a shit ton, but... Okay, and we'll install the ejector upgrade in there. That is totally not what I meant to happen. Give me that back. You need to output to the top. So I'm going to need a chest. Yeah, why not? We'll use one of these jungle chests. That's going to output to the top. I think I need 36 of you. So I should have you really soon. There we go. Basic machine casings with lead plates gives me reactor chambers. Nice. 3 of you. Nuclear reactor. I need dense lead plates, I need a generator, and I need an advanced circuit. I would really love to be able to make these, but that takes mechanism, and I can't get that yet. Electronic circuit. I'm out of copper wire, of course. May as well extrude a ton of it. I do have a lot of rubber, right? No, I don't. Holy shit. Should look at getting a better way of getting these trees taken care of. I should look into forestry. I should start forestry is what I should do. Like forestry multi-blocks. Because with that, I can make a rubber farm and just automatically farm this stuff. I can also make a tree farm and a fruit farm to deal with my... Yeah. So I might start doing that. But again, that takes a lot of stuff that I don't currently have, so... Damned if I do, damned if I don't. Let's just go ahead and make a shit ton of that. To get 1 of you. To get 1 of you. Oh. Let's get you back. Let's go ahead and go to the compressor and do the dense lead plates. Another thing I should work on is overclockers. And I should work on a better source of EU power storage, because right now I can only store 4 million. Wrench. I'll just pull 1 of you off. Where the hell did you go? Where did it go? It flew all the way out here. Holy shit. Not torches. You. Okay. 3. And 4. Ha ha ha. Boom. Nuclear reactor. I would be lying if I didn't say that the nuclear reactors still scare me, even though I know they're 100% safe when you build them correctly. So what I might do is I might build the nuclear reactor off-site in the mining world or something. Or no, because I want to have the ability to store shit tons of power. Actually, what I need to do is I need to tear this room down and revamp it now. Because this room has kind of exceeded its usefulness in the size that it is. I need a bigger workspace. And I need to get ore processing isolated too, so I might revamp things off camera for that. Because I've got these machines just sitting out here in the middle of fucking nowhere. And this has stopped running again too. I just have so many things going on. I'm getting pulled in so many directions at once. It's ridiculous. Okay. Prioritize. Something I'm not very good at. Put you away. Let's see. Prioritize. Let's work on starting the forestry thing. That sounds like the best option for right now. Because I have reliable sources of RF power now. I have reliable sources of infinite water. And I would like to be able to automate the gathering of rubber. Because until I can get the ability to make these... Wait. What does that take? Tantalum plates? What the hell is a tantalum plate? What the hell is tantalum? Eris. Oh, shit. So I can't even make the advanced control circuits. I can't even make these until I can get to rocketry. Shit. So I'm stuck using these for advanced circuits. So I am going to need shit tons of rubber. So forestry. Forestry it is. The multi-farm blocks. These things take tin electron tubes and copper. I have tons of copper, I just need the tin electron tubes, which is really easy. It's just redstone ingots, tin, and thickened glass. I also need the clear glass. So, tin. And glass. And I'm pretty sure I've already got the clear glass that I need in here. Redstone. I need the redstone ingots. Because these are made in the thermiotic fabricator. And my phone is low on power. Thickened glass in there and clear glass in here. Yoink, 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 yoink. That gave me 32. That's good for now. We'll clear that out so that we're not pulling power. If I remember right, the thermionic fabricator uses stupid amounts of power. I don't know if they ever changed that, but... Okay, I need slabs. So, wood. I'm really low on frickin' oak, too. Need to do some more farming. Well, I mean, I guess that's kind of what I'm doing, isn't it? And we're going to convert... I totally didn't mean to do that. But, whatever. It's fine, it's fine. We're solving the problem as we speak. Stone bricks. Craft a stack of them. And... how many do you get? Just one? Oh, crap. Okay, I might need more tin. Okay, I need a gearbox, which requires 3 tin gears. Easy enough. I'm actually probably going to need more tin gears than that, so just go ahead and press out a bunch of gears. That'll get me 8. Okay, I need 1 gearbox. The gearbox is where you take power in. I need, let's see, I need a hatch. I don't need the control. So a farm hatch is a trapdoor and 2 gears. That made a lot more gears than I was expecting. I don't know why, because it made 16, which is exactly what I should have been expecting. For some reason I thought I was only going to get 8. I need a trapdoor. Which would be really easy had I not burned all of my wood like a moron. Yoink. Yoink. To get you. And hatch. Get. Then I need a valve, which is 2 pieces of glass. Farm hatch, farm valve. There we go. I'm also going to need a couple of reservoirs. No. Because this is where I'm going to get my water supply from. Buckets. I actually need new buckets because I have... Well, actually, I guess I don't need new buckets. I can just put the lava down somewhere. By now I've probably burned up 2 buckets worth of lava in my tank over here. Or not. Food tank. Oh, that's got nutrient distillation in it. Boink. There we go. Okay, so I got all of the components that I need for the farm. I just need to actually do the farm setup. But I'm up towards the end of the episode, so I'm not going to do the farm setup this episode. What I'm going to do is I'm going to call the episode here, and then when I come back next episode, then we'll do the farm setup. We'll go ahead and dump the nutrient distillation into my dynamic tank here. I've actually been thinking about putting a dynamic tank in to hold my diesel, so that I can just produce diesel at speed and store it for future reference. That way if I put a second diesel engine in, I'll have a backstock of it. Let's see here. Ta-da! All done? Good. Alright, but yeah, this is where I'm going to call the episode. So, next episode, we will work on getting the Forestry multi-block farm set up. And I don't know what I'm going to put in the farm yet. I know I'm definitely going to need to get some regular tree farming going. And I think I would like to get some rubber tree farming going also. And that requires configuration through a circuit board, which means we'll have to make circuit boards, and it's going to turn into a little bit of a build. But we'll get to that when we get to it. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys are enjoying the series so far. If you like it, make sure you like it. And I'll catch you later, peeps.